EMO 2019, we've dropped in to see Mark Jones from Leadership, well, international obviously.
Yes.
Orange Vice, you're well known for this product. A number of different vices here. People will know this one, a couple of new products. First of all, I want to cover this one. This is your dual station, you do a single station as well?
Yeah, this is the classic Orange Vice that has becoming very popular now in the UK and Ireland, and hopefully in Europe. That's why we're
internationally.
Yeah. This is the dual station version. There is a single station version that is not upgradable. That is a low cost entry level vice. Has all the great features that Orange Vice are well known for, but it will only remain a single station vice. Most of our customers invest in the dual station vice because it can be downgraded to a single station self-centering vice.
And so, I mean, very successful, the Orange Vice. A number of reasons why that is.
I think there are a number of reasons. One would be the way that it's made and the materials that it's made out of. People give us feedback, and there's a lot of social media chatter about how great this vice has been.
No chatter with the vice, though?
No chatter with the vice, no.
Durabar, I understand, is that right?
Durabar, ground, no lift of the top tooling when clamping. We've got a quick change jaw facility that is incorporated in Orange Vice, the Carve Smart system. And as well as that now, the standard top jaws come already machined to take what's called talon grip for clamping purposes.
Okay, so versatile, accurate, rigid, repeatable.
Yeah, all that.
What about warranty?
Well, it has a lifetime warranty. So if any of the parts fail, they will be replaced.
That's a bold statement.
Yeah, that's obviously the confidence that we have in the product.
And I understand very easy to service, but so that's your double station, you've got your single station, but two new products on the stand at EMO. Yeah. Now this does work with the double station. What's going on here?
Okay, with this one, what we're doing, if you imagine the vice that we've just talked about, the regular classic vice, take off all the top tooling and replace it with the Delta V pallet system. So this will then enable a vice to not only be used as a vice, but be used as a pallet as well. We can tighten, it's a self-centering action that clamps a blank pallet that we supply, and then the customer can produce the profile himself for his own components.
Okay, so essentially that, they can then just drop dowels in as an example.
Yeah, absolutely, yes. They will customise it for their workpiece. So the vice doesn't have to be removed from the machine, it can stay on the machine and become a pallet. So
just give it a great amount of flexibility on that side of things. But moving on from that, which is a great product there, you've now got a vice for the 5-axis machining, or 3+2 or 5-axis.
Yes, Orange, again, this is the second product that is being launched here at EMO. It's not been seen outside of the States yet until now. It is a 5-axis vice. It has one fixed jaw and one moving jaw, and the reason for that is that we feel that there's a place in the market for improving the second operation machining on the first op, if you're machining your datum into your workpiece, we can then put that up against the fixed jaw and only have one moving jaw, thus halving any inaccuracy or halving any repeatability value.
Okay, so with the standard self-centering, both jaws are moving,
yes.
That could reduce accuracy.
Yes, but whereas second op, when you know that you've machined a datum into it, put it up against a fixed jaw. Our fixed jaw can be put in many different positions along a serration. So you would gauge exactly where to place it and then have the moving jaw just open and close to close on the component.
Okay, now the jaws themselves, there's a couple of different types of jaws here as well.
There are, yes. We're showing the hard top jaw here for gripping rigidly on only 3 millimetres of component depth, as well as a blank aluminium jaw that the customer would machine his profile into.
Right, so the serrated one's first op, then profile cutting for the second op?
Can be, certainly, yes. All of the jaws are removed very quickly by just undoing a grub screw that enables you to lift the top jaw off.
Right, so very quick and simple to use, as you expect with your Orange Vice system.
Yep.
Okay. Now, on here, so I'm presuming a 0-point system, and what's this going on here?
Okay, well, what we have here is a subplate that would typically be on a regular machine tool, onto which we'll put the Orange Vices either directly, or we can use a riser or a sub to lift them to the position that they want to go. Underneath the vice, as a way of getting it in position quickly, we can incorporate Orange Vice's own ball system for 0-point, but equally it's offered with that you can simply just bolt it down from the top, or the what's become the industry standard 4-pin QC system with a 52mm pitch.
Right, okay, so your 0-point system, or if you haven't got that, straight onto your machine bed.
Yeah, straight on, but it will also be completely interchangeable with industry standard.
That's fantastic. So just to reiterate, dual station, your delta to make that into a fixturing plate.
Pallet, yeah, yeah.
And then your full 5-axis machining here.
Yes.
First and second on.
Yes.
And all with a lifetime warranty?
All with a lifetime warranty, yes.
Anything else we haven't covered off there, Mark?
No, I think you've got it all there. All we want to do now is find some customers to enjoy the new products. Like you've done plenty of visits to satisfy customers in the past, and hopefully we'll find some more.
Excellent, Mark. Thank you very much, and good luck with your new products. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.